Hi guys, I'm your math teacher and your math buddy Swapna. Today we'll be covering up derivatives, differentiation. I won't be covering up the very basics because it's exam time and you need to revise. So things which you need to know are on the screen already. They are like concepts or rules, basics. If you differentiate x power n, it's going to give you n outside and then x power, whatever the power is, minus 1. There is a rule called product rule, which is given over there. There's a rule called quotient rule, which is given over there. You don't need to like apply these as such, but you should know them for your examination purpose. If you see f dash x, that means the derivative. Now let's just take a random question. X power 3 plus 2x square minus 5. So let's say if I want to find the derivative of this, d by dx is the derivative. To find it, very simply, I'll just do some scribbling, then I'll change it. You take the 3 outside and write x power 3 minus 1. Again, you take the 2 outside, so it's going to become 2 times 2, x power 2 minus 1. Then there is no x here, so any constant's derivative is 0, and any number, if it's there 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without x, it's going to become 0. So what I mean is d by dx of any number is 0. The reason behind it, because x power is 0 here and it goes out and it makes everything 0. Now when I solve this, I will get 3x power 2 plus 4x, and that is it. That is my answer. If it's equals fx, then you will just write f dash x. That's how you derive. That's how you do the derivative. Now let's have a look at another question, because you won't be showing all these steps, maybe because it's MCQ majorly on your examination online. So for example, if they say find the derivative of x equals x power 7 minus 5x power 4 plus x cubed minus 7x. So just to solve it very quickly, you can take this in. First of all, you can write x power 7 and x power 6. Write as it is 5, x power 4 as x power 3, x power 3 as x power 2, and here x will become 1. Everything same, just I'm changing the x thing. You see, power minus 1 in every case. Now whatever is the power, it will go out, so that will become 7. Power out, that will become 4. Power out, that will become 3. Now you can simply write 7x power 6 minus 20x cubed plus 3x squared minus 7. So also you can remember that d by dx of any x is 1. So that's how you find derivative. Very quick, very fast. There's no need to do any steps or anything if it's a multiple choice question. And online, it will be a multiple choice question. Now remember, you can apply this derivative rule if the question is asking for instantaneous velocity. You can use this formula. If the question is asking for derivative, of course you can use this. If the question is asking for a slope of tangent to the graph at any point, so both of these things at any point, remember that you can simply derive like derivative to the differentiation and write the answer. There are questions where you can use calculator. The type of questions are if you have x cubed, 2x cubed plus 6x square plus 7, and let's say it says find the derivative at x equals 1 and x equals 5. Or if it says find the derivative at 2, 3. Now remember, in this case, this 2 is x and this 3 is y. So if obviously you can use calculators in our examinations. So write the same equation, make sure it's in 1, that is math mode 1. Now write down the equation same as it is on the calculator. Power 3 plus 6x squared alpha x squared plus 7. After that, press calc. Now you want the x value to be 1, so put 1. You got the answer as 15. Same, calc, put x value 5. You got 407. So when x is 1, so you can write it down like this. When x is 1, the answer is 15. And in derivative, when the x is 5, the answer is 407. Same for this part. You can write the equation, do calc. Now x is 2. There's no need of y. You don't need to do anything with the y. Press 2, 47. So you can write when the derivative is 2, when you put the value 2 as x, you get the answer 47. And that's all. That's all you have to do. They can ask you a question which says, this is dt, give the distance at any time t, and you have to find the distance covered by something at when the time is 5 seconds. So t, just write it as x on calculator, put 5, you will get the answer. So if they ask for the tangent at any point, so at any point, if they say at any point, then you have to do this longer process. But if they give you a point, then you can simply use the calculator. All right, so I hope that helped, and I'll be covering up integration in the next video. So see you, adios.